Hey, this is TJ, and welcome to LGBT Code on Thursdays. I'm going to be your host, and yeah, so I do have two topics to talk about. One of them is called In the Closet Homosexuality. Uh, it's been recently used in two reality shows, Love and Hip Hop Atlanta and Couples Therapy. The first example would be from Love and Hip Hop Atlanta with K. Michelle when she said about Mimi's at the time boyfriend that he and his friend Johnny were in the closet men. And Couples Therapy when Dustin Zito and his girlfriend came into the show, and Joe Francis said about Dustin that he doesn't mind insane sexuality, but he doesn't like in the closet homosexuality. And the one thing that, I do want to say about that is that they may be supporting them, but they are using a homophobic term. With that being said, that might be, the reason why kids, are feeling pressure to be open about it than they want to be, or they suffer from severe or moderate depression. And because, it's bullying someone because you're hurting one who, either would be in the closet or, they're unintentionally acting gay. So, my best advice would be, ignore, walk away and pretend nothing happened. And if you're straight, you prove them wrong. How? Well, that's up for you to decide. I just strongly advise you don't get them pregnant. So with that being said, the next topic is something that Eric said on the introduction. Okay, dating your gay friend. I do have to agree, but I have my own reasons for that, and it's mostly because, you both, two of you started out good friends, and the both of you were able to stay close without saying, I love you. And friends with benefits is not a problem. Why? Because there's really no emotion. But never really date your gay friend because, if you break up, what's going to happen? Are you going to lose your friendship, or are you able to work things out? And the last conversation, it kind of has to do with friends, but it's about having a straight friend. And of course, you got that one straight friend that's able to say to other people, yeah, my friend's gay, that's fine with me. But I have seen gay people afraid to date straight people, not date, be friends with straight people because they're afraid that the straight person's gonna automatically think, oh, that person's trying to hit on me. What I what I would suggest is that if your straight friend does not know that you're gay, find a place to talk about it privately and make sure that no one else can hear you, and explain your situation. But if you don't have any feelings for them, then it should work out fine. If you yeah. So with straight friend, go ahead and tell them that you have no interest in them, and things should work out by then. So yeah. And if you got other and if you want me to talk about other stuff, leave a comment, and I will see you guys next Thursday. Bye. Sorry about that.